We'll be lucky if there's still a road in the county left. Holy smokes.
Look at these retards. You guys stay. You stay. It's okay, you stay.
Two local idiots were recently found showering in the rain.
Yeah, the water's slowing down.
No! I can't even get it on my head. It's raining. No, no more.
Is it coming off the rain down or anything?
It's still raining pretty good.
Come out.
They're gonna get soap in their hair.
Best day ever!
You just can't fix stupid. I'd like to blame that on your mom's genetics, but there's a common chromosome there. Right. I would say that's a bad glebe chromosome in there.